Hello students, in this video we will study about the applications of Pascal's law. So basically Pascal's law can be used in hydraulic systems. The hydraulic systems are the systems for lifting, holding or moving the loads with a smaller applied force. So all the hydraulic system works on the principle of Pascal, according to which whenever external pressure is applied on any part of the fluid containing in a vessel, it transmitted undiminished and equally in all directions. जब भी हम कोई एक प्रेशर लगाते हैं किसी भी फ्लूइड पे एट रेस्ट, तो जो प्रेशर होता है दैट इज़ ट्रांसमिटेड वो इन ऑल डायरेक्शन, दैट विल ट्रांसमिट इन ऑल डायरेक्शन विदाउट एनी चेंज. उसमें कोई चेंज नहीं होगा, वो ऑल डायरेक्शन में ट्रांसमिट हो जाएगा इवन on the walls of the container. So on this principle the hydraulic system works, and there are two types of the machine in your course. So one is hydraulic lift. So hydraulic lift means the lift, this is the machine which is used to lift the heavy object with a small force. So it consists of two pistons of varying cross section area. One is a smaller one over which a force is applied, and another piston of comparatively larger area over which a load is kept, or over which the weight which we want to lift is kept. So when a force is applied on a smaller piston, then a pressure P is equal to F1 upon A1 is applied, and according to the Pascal's law this pressure is transmitted in all direction without any change. तो जो भी कोई चेंज नहीं होगा, प्रेशर ये पूरा ट्रांसफ़र हो जाएगा. सो ए फोर्स will exert on the larger piston, and that force F2 is equal to P into A2, P multiplied by A2. A2 is the area of the larger piston. So on putting the value of P is equal to F1 upon A1, so we get F2 is equal to P A2. On putting the value of P, F1 A2 upon A1, or F2 upon F1 is equal to A2 upon A1, but A2 is very much greater than A1, so therefore F2 is much greater than F1. So when we apply a small force, it will convert it into a very much larger force which is used to lift the heavy objects. So here it means that is F2, the force is multiplied by the factor A2 upon A1. So the ratio A2 upon A1 is known as mechanical advantage of the machine. So A2 upon A1, this is the area of the larger piston to the area of the smaller piston, and it is known as mechanical advantage. So in this way, when हम एक बहुत small force apply करते हैं जो एक large force में convert हो जाता है on the larger piston, और जो एक lift की तरह काम करेगा और heavy objects को lift करने के काम आता है. So this is the working and construction all about of the hydraulic lift. Now move to another device, that is hydraulic brake. Hydraulic brake which is used to retard the motion in the vehicle, and this is the diagram of hydraulic brake, and this is pedal, brake pedal, which is connected to a lever system. Lever system is connected to a master cylinder with a piston P. A master piston or main cylinder is connected to a T-shaped tube in which an incompressible fluid like brake oil is filled, and one part of the tube is connected to another two pistons P1 and P2, which are connected to the brake shoes S1 and S2 of the inner rim of the wheel. तो इस तरीके से ये दिस इज द कंस्ट्रक्शन ऑफ द hydraulic brake. Now how hydraulic brake works? So when a pressure is applied on the brake pedal, the lever system pushes the piston P into the master cylinder or main cylinder containing the brake oil. The brake oil of master cylinder is pushed through a strong tube to the wheel cylinder provided with piston P1 and P2 of larger area. So when we apply the force or pressure, and that pressure according to the Pascal's law will transmit in all direction without any change. और ये प्रेशर क्या होगा, P1 और P2 जो लार्जर एरिया के पिस्टन्स हैं उन पे लगेगा. सो यहाँ पे एक लार्ज फोर्स एपियर होगा विच पुशेस द ब्रेक शू S1 and S2 आउटवर्ड. जब S1 और S2 आउटवर्ड की तरफ को पुश होंगे, they touch with the inner rim of the wheel and which retard the motion due to the friction. ये प्रेशर जो होगा ये फ्रंट व्हील के लिए, आगे के व्हील के लिए भी काम करेगा. इस तरीके से जो भी प्रेशर हम लगा रहे हैं वो चारों जितने भी 4 व्हील्स हैं होते हैं व्हीकल्स में सपोज उन पे अप्लाई करेगा. Now when pedal is released, suppose this pedal is released, a spring pulls the brake shoe away from the ring. स्प्रिंग से कनेक्टेड होते हैं स्पेस शूज. ड्यू टू द स्प्रिंग एक्शन दे ब्रिंग इन देयर ओरिजिनल पोजिशन, दे कम बैक into the original position. The piston in both cylinders move outward their normal positions and the oil is forced back into the master cylinder. So फिर से क्या होगा, जब प्रेशर रिलीज करेंगे so ऑयल फिर से अपनी ओरिजिनल पोजीशन ले लेगा. सो इन दिस वे द हाइड्रोलिक ब्रेक वर्क्स. आई होप इस वीडियो में आप लोगों को, आप सभी को समझ में आया होगा किस तरीके से हाइड्रोलिक सिस्टम वर्क करता है अकॉर्डिंग टू द पास्कल्स लॉ. थैंक यू वेरी मच.